Okay, for number 24, we'll divide this out. As you can see, on the top, we have a total of 3 terms, right? First, second, and third. And on the bottom, we only actually have just 1 term. So when we're trying to divide 1 term on the bottom, all we have to do is split the fractions into 3 little fractions in this case. So this is how we are going to do it for this one. First, we take this right here, 4x to the 7th power, and then we divide this by this, 12x to the 5th. And then next, we continue. Put on the minus right here, and then we have the 8x squared, and then we divide this by 12x to the 5th power. And then one more. Put on the plus, and we have the 6x right here over that, which is 12x to the 5th power. And after we split these fractions, we can just focus on one at a time and then reduce them, right? So for example, the first one, we have 4 on top, 12 on the bottom. We can reduce that. We know 4 goes into 4 1 time, 4 goes into 12 3 times. That's great. And now let's put on the answers along the way as well. So we have 1 over 3. And let me not put on the 1 yet. Let me just put on the 3 on the bottom, all right? And let's look at the x. We have x to the 7th power over x to the 5th power. What does this mean? This means we have 7 of the x's multiplying together, and x to the 5th means we have 5 of the x's multiplying together on the bottom. Well, we can cancel things out, right? How many can we cancel out? Total of 5 on the top and on the bottom. And because we have more x's on the top, we have more left on the bottom, right? On the top, right? Another way to do it is you can just do 7 minus 5 is positive 2, right? So you know you can cancel this out, and then you have a new exponent 2. So right here, we will have x to the 2nd power. And once again, you can just do 7 minus 5, we get 2. And that's how you can do it. Next, we have the minus. Let me just bring that down. And then we have 8 over 12. We can use 4 to reduce. 4 goes into 8 2 times, and 4 goes into 12 3 times. And let's see. Let's just write this down first. We have the 2 on the top and then the 3 on the bottom. And in this case, we have x to the 2nd power. And earlier I showed you guys how to just subtract the exponent. This time I will write it down for you guys, all right? This right here, x squared means x times x. X to the 5th means x times x times x times x times x. And as you can see, right here, this x and that x can be cancelled. This x and that x can be cancelled. And we have this times this altogether left on the denominator, 3 of them. Therefore, we have x to the 3rd power on the denominator. Once again, the quick way is you see which one has more exponent, the bottom, and you can just do 5 minus 2, and you have the x to the 3rd power on the bottom. Last one, we have the plus, and then 12 and 6, right? So we know 6 goes into 6 1 time, 6 goes into 12 2 times. So we have 1 over 2. Let me just write this down for now. And now let's focus on the variable. We have x to the 1st power. This is x to the 5th power. If you reduce, this is going to be, one of them is going to be out. And this 5 is going to be 4, because this is like x on the top. X to the 5 is just like that. So you can cancel 1 with 1 out, right? 1 of the x with 1 of the x out. You have 4 left on the bottom. So you have 2x to the 4th power on the bottom. And now what's on the top? 1. So don't forget to put that down. So this is what we can do, all right? So once again, whenever we are just trying to divide by a monomial, meaning it's just 1 term, split this into as many fractions as need to. In this case, we need 3, like this. And we'll just simplify each one individually. That's it.